Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if it's your first time watching my YouTube video, please click at the right subscribe button. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to sign up Gramfree and how to sign contract to earn money. On Gramfree, you can earn up to 1 million plus in naira and more than $100,000. This is the current money I have there. You can see it over here. This is it, 117 gram, and I staked this last month. Okay, so let's start. First, what you have to do first is that first of all, in your browser, in your search bar, you paste in the referral link sent to you by another person. But if you don't have, look down into my description box. You can use mine. Okay. So I'm putting you guys how to sign up and how to sign up contract. Okay, it's up. Then click up sign up. You can use either of the two, either your Facebook or your Google account. But now I'm using my Google account. So this is how it's going to be when you just sign up your Gramfree account. So firstly, you have to sign a contract of 10 gram, and that is how they'll be bringing the contract every 2 weeks or a week. But before that, before the day they bring 10 gram, you can be signing up for 0 points. There is another gram option here, right? 0 points, 3 grams. You can just take the risks. Okay, so this is it. Firstly, then sign the contract. So automatically you'll be given 10 gram. When you sign the contract of 10 gram, then you'll be given 10 gram. And for these ones, 0 points, 3 grams, when you switch the option here to high risk, the gram will be increased by 2. But if you lose it, you forfeited minus 1.1 gram from your account, from your own normal gram. But me, it's advisable for you to stay for the 10 gram and then refer. So, but it takes a long time, but it's good because I liked it. Okay, so this is it. Then you can go to your dashboard, check your dashboard. Okay, so this is it. 10 gram you sign for. This is your 10 gram here. So, and don't forget, every 1 hour there is a free row. You can check it here. A free row here. This is it. So every 1 hour you can go through it and then click on the free and then row. This is the row here. So then row. So I was given 1 gram. So and then you want to, and that means you can still get money there is by watching videos. So it's by watching videos. So inside the video you're going to be watching this one 0.1 gram, 0.1 gram, 0.1 gram. But you can still add your own video there, like maybe you get the link from any YouTube video and then paste it, and the title is going to show here. So after it shows, when you watched it to the end, it's going to give you 5.0 gram. But that method works once in a day, so you can still try it again the other day. So if you want to refer someone and you need your referral link, so you can click on the referral here. Then click on the referral, and this is your link. Then just copy it. Already copied. So copy the link. After you copy, you can paste it in any WhatsApp group, social media platform, any social media. Maybe we're chatting with someone, you want to introduce the person to Gramfree. And mind you, when you refer someone, you're going to get 5 gram. And for the smart contract, you're going to get 10 gram. So, and Gramfree is very legit. Gain money, gain your first dollar. They withdraw in many means. So let's check the withdraw option here. So if you want to withdraw, they ask you, maybe you have a Bitcoin wallet. This is the requirement. You have a Bitcoin wallet, MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, American Express, Pioneer, and Payer. So this is the option of the withdraw, and the minimum withdraw in Gramfree is 500 gram. That's the minimum withdraw you have there before you can withdraw on Gramfree. So Gramfree is very legit. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Thanks very much. Love you guys.